Shucks, and her channel is NIKKI.
Duh.
We're introducing myself. Okay, no, we're gonna change that into water challenge. I have 5 classes, count to time. I'm sorry for it's so loud here. Keep quiet. It's so noisy here. Is there a wild animal? That's right. We have an owl, we have a crocodile, we have a shark, and we have a giraffe. And sorry, we can't let you see them because you're wild. And sorry for our background. Yeah, it's so messy. Look like a trash can. It's a trash can. Now we're gonna do that water challenge.
Paano ulit?
Let me drink. Okay. You count it. You count, yes.
Slowly?
Fast
Faster.
a little bit and loud a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52,
53,
54,
55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Well done. Actually, I lose because before 60, I already drink mine, so it's the winner. So, thank you, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Okay, and please follow me and don't forget to subscribe her channel, Nikki's Friends, and my channel. And please all my and my channel, Real Shucks. And if you want to comment anything. No. They cannot comment anything. Maybe there's some bad word or something. Except for bad words. Okay, thank you. Okay, before that, I'm sorry. Okay. You need to follow us on our social medias.
Kaya nagawa mo ng speaker.
Instagram and Twitter and her.
Tuloy ka! Thank you!
Thank you. Bye.